Panda friends. It's story time again with Mrs. Smith, and I really think you're going to like this book today. It's called Don't Push the Button. And on the back, it says there's only one rule in Larry's book. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. So Don't Push the Button was written by Bill Cotter, and he also drew all the pictures. Don't push the button. To Mom and Dad for always encouraging me, even when I was pushing their buttons. Here's the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Don't push that button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Don't push that button. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. Ugh, we just can't. No, we mustn't. We can't push the button. No one's looking. Should we give the button one little push? What do you think, Panda? Should we push it? We pushed it. Let's see what happens. Oh no, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Oh, now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. What's gonna happen? Uh-oh. Look how many Larrys there are, and they're all different colors. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. I gotta shake it. I gotta get rid of all those extra Larrys. Almost. Shake it a little more. Oh, let's see if that did it. Okay, there we go. It says here in the book to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch his tummy? You think that's gonna work? Let's try it. That tickles. Okay, much better. Whew. Let's not push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple of more pushes. And look what happened. Lots of Larrys. The end. So remember, whatever you do, don't push the button. Till next time.